This whiteboard animation channel is likely making thousands of dollars per month, and what if I were to tell you that you can generate videos exactly like this channel in literally just a couple of minutes using Claude Code? Now, the amazing thing about this channel is the fact that it's an educational channel in the financial niche. If you've ever watched my channel before, you know that I highly recommend educational channels because you can make a lot more money from them. And add that to the fact that the financial niche is an incredibly high CPM niche. This is a channel that will be making much more money per 1,000 views than 90% of channels on YouTube. And you do not need to know how to code to do this. Don't let the name Claude Code scare you. This is actually pretty easy. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate these videos, exactly how much they cost, and I'm going to show you the mistake that kills 90% of channels like this before they even have 1,000 subscribers. Now, before I show you the workflow, you need to understand why this is working right now. Because if you skip this, you're going to be in the wrong niche and you might make a little bit of money, but you're going to be leaving a lot of potential money on the table. The best whiteboard and animated explainer videos are not entertainment based. Yes, you can make funny story, stickman animated videos, but that's not where the money is. You want to be in an educational niche on a high CPM topic like all of these topics right here. On niches like relationships, self-help, travel, psychology, technology, and wealth. And so this channel, Chris Invests, in the financial niche is educational because it's teaching people how to manage their personal finances, and it's within the wealth niche. And now in order to make this work with Claude Code, you're going to need a tool and plugin called GoalPo. They're actually sponsoring this video and I've been trying it out myself. It's an incredible tool and I will never hire another person to make explainer animated videos like this ever again because of it. And what's so cool about it is that you can generate coherent animated videos up to 15 minutes long depending on the plan that you're on, and I'm going to break down exactly how much this costs and everything. But it's not just like 30-second clips like a lot of other tools do. The link to GoalPo will be in the description, and they're giving both of us some credits if you want to try it. Now, first things first, you're going to need Claude Code downloaded onto your computer. So simply go to claude.com/download and pick the right one for your operating system. All right, first things first, we're going to open Claude Code. It'll look something like this. And GoalPo actually has a step-by-step tutorial which shows you exactly how to install it. It'll show you how to install the plugin and make sure something called Python is installed on your computer as well. But you can actually make this incredibly simple by just copying the link to this page and then say install GoalPo and the required assets by following this guide, and then paste it right there. Click enter, and then different things will pop up like this asking if it's allowed to fetch that URL. You're just going to want to click allow there, and then again click allow. And that's really what's so awesome about AI is that we can just sit back and let it follow the guide for us and go through that entire manual install tutorial. And just like that, it's now got Python installed for us. It has the plugin installed for us, and all we have to do now is grab our API key from GoalPo. Now, in order to get your API key, you might be thinking you have to be on a business plan or a scale plan since it says that's required. But if you scroll down, you can actually sign up for an API only tier where 1 credit is $1. So therefore it costs $2 for a 1-minute video. Therefore, a 10-minute video would cost about $20 just using this API only tier. Now later in the video, I'm going to get into why these plans are actually very well worth it. But if you want to just use the API plan to start, you can do that as well. So once we have a plan, or we at least signed up for the API plan, then when we log into GoalPo, it will look like this. Then we're going to want to click this green button that says create API key. And then we're going to click to copy this key, go on over to Claude Code and then say, here is my API key from GoalPo, paste it in, click enter. And now just like that, Claude Code is all set up and ready to generate videos. Now you might be wondering, what is the benefit of using Claude Code to do this if you can just go here to the GoalPo interface and you can, for example, use your own script by pasting it in right here. You can even clone your own voice depending on the plan that you're on. On the higher plans, you can even create your own character. And as you know, I am a huge proponent of having a character who's the quote unquote face of your channel. It'll help guard your channel against the increasing competition there will be from AI due to the fact that you're building IP with your channel. And my own Faceless channel called Stickman Matt is a channel where I do that. You can use your own narration audio. So this can be audio that you record yourself or that you use an external tool like 11 Labs to do. do. You can even get the 11 Labs plugin in Claude Code and then integrate that like I've done. You can embed your own images or videos in the output. So what this practically means is that if you need to show specific images or videos, or you're talking about someone specifically that you need to reference, you can just tell Claude Code, find a video of this or a picture of this. It finds it, downloads it, puts it in the video directly for you. Same thing with background music, just make sure that it's royalty free. Now what I'm going to do is attach an audio file that I got from 11 Labs and put in this prompt of please make a whiteboard video using the attached voiceover and click enter. And as you can see, it says this is a 4.7 minute video, meaning that at goalpost $2 per minute cost, that will be around $9 to $10 in credits for around a 5-minute video. So for a 10-minute video, it would be double that, around $20 per video. And then you also have to factor in the Claude Code costs, but if you're on a Claude plan, then that will be included. And also, just so you guys know, the per minute cost is way less on the scale or the business plan if you want to go with those. You get 800 minutes of video for just under $1,000, which is $10 for an 8-minute video. So that is a really good deal. I would recommend that if you're going to be doing this at a high level. And then for the API, the cost comes down significantly with the higher monthly volume. And just like that, our video is done and we can take a look at it right here. What if I told you that some YouTube channels are making over $200 per 1,000 views while others barely scrape together $1? The difference between these creators isn't luck or subscriber count. It's knowing exactly how YouTube's payment system works in 2025. And so that's pretty cool. And of course, you don't need to upload a voiceover. You can easily use one of their built-in voiceovers by just telling it, make an explainer on this, and it'll do it. But let's say you wanted a custom character in the video, like I highly recommend doing. Then if you go to Golpo's website and you drop in your audio file, or you make a clone out of your own voice by recording your voice or uploading a file, and then cloning the voice, or you use one of their built-in voices, and then scroll down and click add character. Then you'll simply upload an image of your character. For example, I have this AI character right here, which I generated with GPT image 2, as you can see. And I also had it write a description of the character, which I simply copy pasted when I was creating the character then in Golpo right here. Then you just click generate video, and here is the video that I got back. What if I told you that some YouTube channels are making over $200 per 1,000 views while others barely scrape together $1? The difference between these creators isn't luck or subscriber count. It's knowing exactly how YouTube's payment system works in 2025. YouTube pays creators through their partner program. This is really good. And I was really impressed with this first graphic here as it kept our character consistent and it gave an illustration about how some YouTube channels pay a lot more than others. Now, this was an older voiceover, that's why it said 2025 there, but this is a really good result that is equal in quality to those huge channels like Chris and Vess, and you're really lucky to be learning about this right now because I think this creates a huge arbitrage opportunity in the short term, but in the long term, this creates the possibility of building a real brand with IP if you use that custom character. And now, of course, you could run entertainment types of channels like this channel, Sketchpocalypse, which has almost 100,000 subscribers, but these videos are becoming easier and easier to make. So how do you make your content stand out? How do you make a ton of money from it? And how do you make sure that your channel is benefited from AI as opposed to being hurt by it? I'm going to go over that in just a second, but first, like I promised, I'm going to go over the pricing for this because I'm sure you're curious about how much this costs. So if you use this through the API, you'll be spending 2 credits per minute, which is effectively $2 per minute. So a 10-minute video would cost you about $20, which is absolutely crazy because I was hiring someone for one of my animated channels last year and I was spending $100 per video for animated videos just like this that were 5 to 10 minutes long, and then I had to wait multiple days to get them back. I can literally generate videos like this now in a couple of seconds for 1/5 of the cost. But it gets even better because if you want custom characters, as well as the ability to use Golpo's own AI right here, and be able to clone your voice and have your credits be a lot cheaper, then you can subscribe to any of these paid plans right here. Right now, I have the scale plan because I'm replacing several channels that I personally run that create videos exactly like this because there's no point in me spending thousands of dollars to freelancers when I can just do it with this for a lot cheaper. But of course, if you're an absolute beginner, you can start with a lower plan. And I know $500 or $1,000 a month seems like a lot, but When you just look at it logically compared to hiring freelancers to do this, or spending your own personal time sitting down and animating videos from scratch, this is well worth it. And feel free to check out Golpo, linked down below. Big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. And when you sign up, there will be a survey that asks which creator that you joined it from. Make sure you mention that you saw this video. And also, if you grab an annual plan, you'll save a lot more. And if you use that code Make Money with Matt, it'll give you 20% additional credits on annual plans only, and they'll send that to you within 24 hours of buying, or $5,000. And so now you'll have the ability to generate these types of videos, but you might be wondering, what was that mistake that you mentioned earlier that's killing 90% of channels that do this? Well, 90% of channels that do this are going to be making those entertainment types of videos because they see that's what's getting the views. But if you watch my channel, you know that views don't matter. They're simply vanity metrics. I have students who get 3,000 views a video that make $100,000 a year. And that's a lot better than getting millions of views, but only making 50,000 a year. And so how are my successful students that work with me actually able to do that? Well, they sell something from their channel, but not just anything. They're not promoting some cheap Amazon affiliate product where they're going to make a couple dollars per sale. They're promoting a digital product where there's no fulfillment cost that either they're an affiliate for, like a software similar to Golpo, which by the way actually has an affiliate program, or they're an affiliate for an online course where they're going to be making either consistent monthly income or a lot of money at once per sale. You get a couple sales on a $500 or $1,000 course, you're making thousands of dollars per month from your channel. And then you make a long pillar video on your channel that sells at the end of it, that then you can direct all the traffic from all your other videos to, which will get you even more sales, and it'll make this economically viable to do long term. And I was actually explaining this to Golpo as well, that you guys who watch these videos, we're not just creating any type of YouTube channel. There's a lot of YouTube channels out there that teach how to run some random entertainment channel that's not going to get many views, and maybe they subscribe to a software and stop. We actually run channels that are real businesses. And while 99% of people are going to be creating commoditized garbage with AI, our goal is to have a character that we build up, so we build actual brand IP, and to be in niches that are not too competitive, which are educational based niches. And what's additionally awesome is that we can sell something from these types of channels as well, therefore making a lot more money. And these whiteboard types of animations can be applicable to any type of YouTube channel. If you're running a Faceless channel, you can easily just create an extra Faceless channel, promote whatever product that you're wanting to promote, and just have that running in the background. And then even if you have a personal channel like I do right here, making these whiteboard types of animations used to require having to hire an editor and all this complexity. Now you can just generate them with AI incredibly easily. And so check out Golpo, link down below. And if you're interested in learning a bit more about how to make your YouTube channel a real business, I have a free guide for you right here, which will go over that step by step, and it will share some incredibly important secrets that you absolutely need to see if you're thinking about doing this. So check it out. Hope you got value, and I'll see you there.